So this is the hook off of an anchor ball on a anchor chain off a sailboat I bought a few years back, and as you can see by the deep gouges on here, it was rusted pretty good. I've been at this for about a half hour, and then I thought, hey, you know what? Lots of people want to know how to take rust off metal. I'll make a quick video and add this to my collection. What I've been doing here is I've been using this handy drill that I have. It's a DeWalt, but whatever. With this is just a metal brush that you can add to it. I've been holding it down with a pair of pliers, but essentially all you got to do is spin it real good, get the hairs in there as closely as you can, and then I'm going to scrub the rest down with this wire brush here. And after that, I'm going to dip it in the vinegar solution, let it soak overnight, and then give it a paint. I'll check back in as the progress goes here and let you know how it's going along. So I've gotten pretty much all the deep, nasty rust off with the DeWalt. I'm going to continue now with my small wire brush. I'll let you know what that looks like after this next step. And now here we are. That's looking pretty good. When I started this, you could not even read any of this lettering. It was completely caked over. It says forged. And I think the other side says high test. So this is a pretty solid hook. I don't want to lose this. I mean, I could buy another one, but if I can spend 30 minutes just working away at this and getting it done, then why not? I'm going to soak this in vinegar overnight, give it a coat of rust-resistant paint, and it is going to be ready for another 30 years of going in the water. And I suspect since my sailboat's about 30 years old, I think this hook had been used on the anchor ball, on the anchor chain, for probably about that 28 years. So yeah, that's how rusted it was, and it's looking pretty good. If you have any questions, write them down in the comments. And yeah, thanks for watching. Ciao.